Class 9. Today we are starting remaining exercises of indices. Exercise 6C and 6D. Rules we have already written before exercise 6A and 6B. The same rule we are going to apply over here. See the question number 1, fourth part in exercise 6C. This is the question. 16 is given there. 16 write in the power form 2 to the power 4 and power is given here minus 3 by 4. 125 5 to the power 3 and power is given minus 1 upon 2. Remove this sign. Outside of this sign is there is a 3. It is actually cube root sign. So cube root you can remove by putting power 1 upon 3. And now 4 will be cancelled by 4. Similarly 3 to the 6. Power will be here minus 6. 1 upon 3 will come inside by the rule of indices. 1 upon 3 multiply this, 1 upon 3 multiply this. See here. And at last what will be here? 2 to the power minus 1 and 5 to the power minus 2. Make the power positive. Take it, bring it down. It will be positive when you will take under 1. Similarly this will be also positive. And 25 to the 50. 1 upon 50 is the answer. Now see the next question. Second question, fifth part. 81 is given there. Power is given 3 by 4. 1 upon 32 is given there. 8 is given there. 1 upon 2 is given there. And 2 to the power 0 is there. And now 81 write in the smallest form. In the power form. 3 to the power 4 and 32. Make reciprocal because minus is there. Power is a minus. Write in reciprocal form and change in plus form. Change this power in plus form. So just write in smallest form. 4 will be cancelled by 4. Similarly 32 can be written as 2 to the power 5. And 5 will be cancelled by 5. And 3 will be cancelled by 3 here. And this is 2 by 1 because power is minus. Make this plus 2 by 1. And 2 to the power 2. And 2 to the power 0 means 1 by the rule. And now this 4 is cancelled. Similarly, this 5 will be also cancelled. And 3 will be cancelled. And 2 power 2 means 4. 4 into 1. After solving this, what will come answer? 31. 31 is the answer. Now see the next question. Fourth question, fourth part. See this. 5 is there. 5 write in two parts. 5 to the power 2n into 5 to the power 3. It can be written like this because bases are same here. If you will combine it, it becomes same. Now minus 25, 5 to the power 2. 5 to the power 2, 2 will multiply these two numbers. 2n plus 4 and 5 to the power 3. 3 and whole power is 2 upon 3 given. So this 3 will be cancelled by this 3. And what will be left after that? This thing will be left. And now take the common. Common is here. 5 to the power 2 and 5 to the power 3. Take common. What will be left over here? 1. And now here will be only 1 5 because this part will be come out. 5 to the power 3 will come out. Only 1 5 will left inside. And this is right in split out in two terms again. 5 to the power 2n into 5 to the power 2. Right? Like this. And now this will be cancelled. And similarly 5 to the power 3 is here and it is minus 4. And down is a 5 to the power 2. When you will take it up, power will be minus. 5 to the power 3 minus 2. 5 into minus 4. Minus 20 is the answer. Now see the 10th question. These three parts are given as equal and prove that x is equal to this thing. See the solution. When these three parts are given as equal, you will be considered something. Suppose we are taking here as equal to k. All these three parts are equals to k. So we will compare first 3 to the power x with k. 3 to the power x with k. K means k to the power 1. This x will come over here. See here, 3 is equal to k to the power 1 upon x. See here, similarly 5 to the power y equals to k. k means k to the power 1. Remove this y. So this y will come under 1. 5 to the power 1 upon pi. Similarly 45 to the power z is equal to k. So z will also come here. So 45 is equal to k to the power 1 upon z. So these are three equations. Now see the last equation. Equation 3. Splitting like this in a factor form, 3 into 3 into 5, smallest factors, equals to k to the power 1 upon z. Put the value of 3, 3 and 5. 3 values here, this one. 5 values here, this one. Putting here, place of 3 and 5. See the base. Bases are same, k base. When bases are same, according to the rule, power will be added by adding all the powers. And take LCM. And that side is k to the power 1 upon z. By LCM, after solution, by cross multiplication and zx take that side, take x common, see here x common, and this part will come down and x is equal to this thing, proved. Now see the exercise 6D. In the 6D, this is given 2 to the power this and 4 to the power this thing. So write in two form, 2 to the power 2 this, 4 can be written as 2 to the power 2. And now bases are same. This is the rule, last rule, second last rule. If bases are same, then power will be equal. So take x plus 1 equal to this thing. We have taken here, like base are same, that is why bases are 2, 2. And between them, equal sign. So power we can take as equal. So what is x coming? 7. Answer. See the next question, 5. 5 questions is here. And now write in smallest form, in the power form I mean. And 7 to the power 3, 5 to the power 3. And see here, root is here. Root can remove by putting power 1 upon 2. This is the rule. X minus 1 upon 2. And similarly here, 3 is here. 3 you can take over here. Minus 3. Both the side bases are same again. Now equating the power, taking equal powers. Cross multiplication, x will come as minus 5. Answer. See the 10th question. In the 10th question, 8 to the power 0 means 1. 2 upon 3. 0.6 means 6 by 10. Reduce in lowest term. And this becomes 3 by 5 by reducing. And remove the root sign. Put the power 1 upon 2. And take LCM. This becomes 5 by 3. Now see the bases. Bases are reciprocals here. So just make same base. Make this reciprocal. 3 by 5. When you will do reciprocal, sign will be changed. Power sign will be changed. So here minus. So now bases are same. Base becomes same. And now equating the power. Again taking equal parts because bases are same. Cross multiplications and answer will come 5 by 6. Now see the 16th question. In 16, two parts are given. See the first part is given like this. So write in 2 to the form. 2 to the power 4. It can be written, 16 can be written as 2 to the power 4. Bases are same. Power will be added according to the rule. Again equal sign is there. Both the side bases are same. Now equating the power, taking equal power. X is equal to 4 plus y. So x minus y is equal to 4. Equation number 1. Now see, second thing is given. Secondly, this is given in the question. 27. 3 to the power 3 we can write. 3 to the power 3x. 9 become 3 to the power 2. Bases are same here. Adding the power 2 plus 2y. Again bases are same. Equal sign is there. When bases are same, you can take equal powers. Equate the power. 3x is equal to 2 plus 2y. Take this side 2y. Equation number 2. Now we have two equations. Solving these equations simultaneously. This is given here simultaneously. And what will come x? Minus 6 and y will come as minus 10. So these are the exercises 6C and 6D. Now children, next time we will take new topic. Thank you.